So this is my Tommy. This wheel, back wheel, is really tight, and it was just like locked on, like I could not lift it off. So basically what you do is get a piece of wood after you've undone that nut and that's on there. A piece of wood across around all the edges, and hang on, like this, and basically hit the wood, and it'll free up that. You go all the way around the edge, hit it, and then I had to lay the bike down, basically like get both hands on, and then see it's kind of stuck now. Both hands on and pull it off. Just be a sec. There you go, and it's probably all that rubbing, and I'm going to clean all this out, get it all nice and clean. But this brake caliper here is actually brand new, so to get, well, kind of brand new. Get this off, lift that side up, and then it should basically come off like that. And then this is obviously on the back clutch, but it's all in need of a big clean because it's been in storage for about a year. So that's the rear drum. This is obviously a brake cable, all that needs tightening up and cleaned out. This is basically what I'm doing, I'm restoring this whole bike, or trying to. So this little cover here, and just see what that is. I've got to try and get everything all sprayed up, ready for taking it all off. This was my main problem. This screw here, it snapped, and it's really deep in there, and I think that's why I lost compression. Right, just hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll try and put as many up as I can as I strip the bike. Keep watching.